Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. So this video is about how to import data from a CSV file to Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So this is the CSV file. We would like to first convert the CSV file in an Excel. That way we can have this as a source in the SQL Server Management Studio. So all we have to do is open an empty Excel sheet and go to the Data tab, select from text or CSV option and choose the path for the CSV file. So this is the CSV file which I would like to be imported as an Excel. Yeah, so load. Here we go. Now this is the Excel which we would like to provide as a source in the SQL Server Studio. I'm gonna save this. Let's say 2023 rankings maybe. Okay, so now in the SQL Server Management Studio, we have few default databases. Uh, yeah, so we can select one of these databases and right click and go to the tasks option and click on import data. So we'll have a pop-up window which says choose a data source. As our data source is an Excel file, we can opt for Microsoft Excel. Now we have to browse the path for the Excel file which we have created. So downloads. Yeah, so this is the Excel file. I'm going to open it and we can click on next. And now the destination. So as the destination is something, I'll choose as Microsoft OLE DB provider for SQL Server. So if we can see, we have the Windows authentication already selected. If not, if you have the SQL Server authentication with the username and password configured already, you can opt for this authentication as well. Also, you would now have a chance to change the database just in case, and then click on next. Now we can select the default selected option, copy data from one or more tables or views, and click on next. Now yeah, we would like to actually have the data that is part of 2023 rankings just to be imported, because if we see this file, we have the sheet one which doesn't have any data, so it doesn't make sense if we have the other part imported. So we can leave over the sheet one and then opt just for the first option which says 2023 underscore ranking dollar, and it will be saved to DBO view. You can click on next. Yeah, so here we have the source and the destination columns and their respective source and destination types. We can just have a look at them. Yeah, so click on next, and I'm going to run this particular package immediately. So I'm going to select the next option. So this is just how uh, what particular um, rows will be copied to what destination is something we can see here. We can click on finish to have this action completed. So we have everything as success with no errors or warning messages, and we can see the total number of rows that are transferred as well. Now we can close this pop-up window. Yeah. Now we are going to now refresh this particular explorer. So if we can refresh, we will now be able to see the new DBO which is created 2023 underscore ranking. Now we would like to query this data and uh, have few of the analytics done. So now I'm going to write a quick query, select star from DBO colon, and now I'm going to execute it. Yeah. So now we can see all the data that is flowing in. Hmm. Maybe we can cross check with the Excel file which we have. Okay. In case if we have any warning messages, we'll be seeing it here, and we can see the number of rows affected as well. So this is how we can query the data. This is for this video. Thank you.